Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another video of meal on a budget. So we are turning 2 loaves of bread, which you can find like $1 each, like they're like that cheap, these loaf, and this is just basically a white loaf. So you can turn these 2 loaf bread as an 8-person meal, and for that we're gonna need some grated cheese. So I have mozzarella, so I grate them, or shredded mozzarella. You can if you have like cheddar or anything, you can use cheddar. I have mozzarella, so I'm using mozzarella. And then I have 2 pieces of chicken breast, which I am going to cut them into small pieces. And then well, you can use some thyme, some rosemary, some any spices you have on hand, any herbs that you have on hand, garlic. You can add onion, you can add like anything you want on this dish. So first thing I'm gonna do is go cut this chicken into small pieces, like bite size or maybe smaller than that. And then we're gonna move to the next step. So the chicken has been cut into small pieces, and that's a lot of chicken. So now to that, I'm gonna add my type of seasoning, but yes, add whatever seasoning you have on hand. I'm gonna start with some lemon pepper seasoning, still in the bag. So this has a little bit of salt and black pepper. So I'm not gonna add too much, like I'm just gonna do 2 teaspoons, and then just little bit of salt, not too much, and then a little bit of black pepper. I don't want to add too much. And then some chili powder for some spiciness. Choice is yours. If you don't like chili, don't add any spicy. And then I'm gonna do some paprika. You can eyeballing, add any amount you like, but I'm gonna put the ingredient measurement down below in the description box. And then I'm gonna add some garlic powder, and then some hot sauce. I'm doing sriracha, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna do some yellow mustard. So I'm gonna add some, about like, oh, maybe 2 tablespoons. Okay. All right. And now I'm just gonna mix everything until well combined. I'm using a non-stick fry pan, and I'm gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. And then I'm also gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm gonna add the chicken, stir and cook the chicken for about between 8 to 10 minutes over medium-high heat. This is chicken breast. It doesn't take long to cook. If you're using boneless chicken thigh, then it is going to take 12 to 15 minutes. Chicken is ready. I like to add some chopped coriander. You can add chopped mint, chopped parsley, like really whatever you have. And now give it a good mix. All right, so now heat up, and this is ready to go. I like to cut my bread into half. I'm gonna try to make it even. Okay. All right. Well, I didn't do the better job, but okay. So I have a large tray lined with parchment paper, and then I'm gonna start with, now If you like garlic, you can crush or grate some garlic, mix with some butter, and then just spread the bread with it. And then you're gonna add some cheese. But I skip that step because I just don't feel like go grate some garlic, or I wanna make it as quick as possible as a weeknight meal. So right now you can see I'm not gonna add too much for now, just a little touch, just one thin layer. And in the meantime, my oven is preheating 400 Fahrenheit. So now I'm gonna fill this bread with the cooked chicken, just like so. And now I'm gonna sprinkle the cheese all over the chicken. That's a lot of cheese. Okay, so now this is going to go in my oven right now, already preheated, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like once it's done. 20 minutes in the oven, and I switch it to broiler for 2 minutes. That's why we have those golden color on top. The tray is very hot. I want to be careful, but at the same time I want to cut and show you guys. Oh yeah, you can hear this crumb. I love crusted bread. So hot, so hot, so hot. So the crust is crunchy, but you guys can see the melted cheese and how soft the bread is inside. And my mouth is watering as usual. So good. So good. So good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video with me. Check the written ingredient down below in the description box, and I will see you next time.